Okay, so we are here at the another backtesting session. We are here, these are the stats, and these are the stats here of winners and losers, and these are the monthly stats. And yeah, here we are in the August 2016. We are doing 10 years worth of data backtesting from 2016 to 2026. And yeah, let's get it. Uh, Um, Let me just start some music in the background. Uh, what was that? What was that? I need some sort of. Just give me a second. This is important. Okay. Because. Which one? Which one though? Probably these. Should be fine. Let me just check if everything is fine. Record audio. Recording is on. Audio is working. Everything is fine. Cool. Then let's get it. Okay, so now I remember this. I completely missed out on the Friday move. I was looking for the move around here, I guess. Where was it? Sorry, it was on NQ though. Yeah, probably around here because we had this SMT, right? But yeah, because it wasn't like that clean for me, to be very honest, and it just opened up and started ripping higher. It's just New York Open, and yeah, it is what it is. Let's move forward. We are on a Monday. Let's go to weekly. We are failing to manipulate all the highs, and we are at the all-time highs as well. YM looks good to go to the upside, and this will be the draw. Currently, YM is the weakest asset, and we do have this SMT with NQ, right? And yeah, even ES is looking better than YM for now, but YM, because YM have the cleanest draw, we can still look into it, right? So yeah, this is weekly bullish up until this point on YM, and everything is just ripping. I can't trade away from I do want to trade lower because I don't think I do that good on all-time highs, but we'll see how that goes. This is gone, this is gone. We do have this SMT. Okay, coming to daily now. We are ripping to the upside and we are failing to manipulate this swing point as well. Above this, everything is kind of a low resistance on YM. For now, we have been sweeping the high of the previous day and kind of getting back into the range. Let's see if we respects the upper half of the previous candle or the previous day, because we do have this big ass fair value gap that should hold the price to the upside, and hourly as well. Yeah man, this does not look that bad to go to the upside. We also have an SMT inside this fair value gap with NQ, right? But it's like very spaced out SMT and I just can't trade away just because there's an SMT, I need the fractal as well. So some sort of better structure for me. Having said that, we open up here and does nothing. Asia low of the day on all the assets. So that is also kind of sucks. But we have a good as wick on YM at least. Right? Goes up and displaces to take the previous day's high and then starts going lower. For now, I can also take notice that we are disrespecting this bullish fair value gap on YM, which was supposed to be the strongest asset for now, like structurally, to go to the upside, right? We also have this SMT here with NQ. So NQ again being becoming the weakest asset. Even ES tapped in here, but yeah, man. This 30, let's see 30. We may get there is 30 fractal to the upside on YM though, and we are sweeping this swing point on NQ as well. We gotta see how the New York Open goes and then we can take a call, because 2 a.m. took the previous day high and then 6 a.m. did nothing, kind of retracing. The whole this whole move pretty much looks like retracement. So we're still bullish, but we have to really look where the price wants to go, because yeah, let's see. This is New York Open, and currently NQ is going lower or trying to go lower. Let me go to 15. Yeah, so now again we have an SMT here like this, right? Yeah, and this just kind of tells us that YM wants to go higher, obviously. And NQ should reach towards these highs, and it should do right now, I guess, honestly. If only we would have swept these lows, it would have been an amazing trade. But we have equal lows now. 4.478, 4.75, and the low is exactly the same. So I can't take this on NQ as well, right? For the same reasons. It's gone. Let me go to okay. There is no fractal or anything as such for me to take. Okay, so YM is making this equal highs here. If we get something here, I may take it. We do no. This is C2 here, but it's like a very weird C2, so still can't trade it. Deeper retracement. NQ now trying to pull everyone to the downside. Should be fine though. Okay. Let me again go to the upside. Equal highs sucks. We made the new low of the day on NQ. Three minutes left for 10 a.m. Let's see the closes. Okay, 10 a.m. opens up. let me clear out few things. We are still sort of, respecting this fair value gap, even though there are equal highs to the upside. We also have C2, but it's super weird price action for now where I can, frame a trade on both the sides. So I really don't want to participate. Yeah, there would be, chances, or what do you call, some sort of trades inside these, but don't want to participate as of now. Let me peek 4 hour as well. Yeah, 4 hour structurally looks bearish to me on NQ at least. So if we want to catch up, YM can catch up to these lows, and so can ES. The same low is here, but I would like ES to go till this fair value gap. So yeah, sweep, small wick, expand lower, gives us a 4 hour C2. No, sorry, 4 hour CSD. What am I talking, bro? So 4 hour CSD here. I don't like to take CSD as the what do you call, bro? Okay, wait. We have hourly PSP here as well, so that makes a little interesting. We do have this SMT here, although all these are failure swings to me now. I really want to start going lower on YM as well. Small wick, let's see. NQ still going lower. If I get 15-minute swing point, I can trade. Okay, we have traded towards the current day's low on YM as well, and making the new low, whereas ES and NQ is just ripping to the downside. I don't want to really chase the price, honestly. I need 15-minute fractal here, something like a swing point or something, so that I can trade away from that. No SMT, nothing yet. No SMT yet, but we do have this. Okay, not really respecting that though. I should just okay, good close here on 15 as well. And now I feel like YM is the weakest asset now. Like, look at the expansion to the downside on YM. We also have this order block on YM that we don't have on any other asset. So I should really take this here and go to for 2 hour, targeting this swing point and higher time frame fair value gap or something like that, I can really trade it till here if it really wants to, uh, do the ERL to IRL, because ERL was the previous day's high, right? Okay, there might be a chance that I can still okay, 30. Let me see any hourly. Honestly, this does not look bad to me. It's just that NQ has already been, expanded to the downside, whereas ES took the same low and then got back into the range. And where is this low? It's the same low is here. We are talking about the low, this low, which is already failed to manipulate, and then we caught up on both the assets. Let me see. Structurally, I don't think it's that bad. It's just that we would be trading C4 hourly, and 15-minute does look very clean. This is the C2 versus sorry, let me let's do it. I mean, let's see how it goes. Risk 1%, bro. 1% only. Thank you. Place. We are tapped in for now, and we are not doing really anything for now. Yeah. Okay, so I was really, didn't want this to happen. We wanted the C4 to go down or C3 to go lower on 15, which is not happening currently. We have just 2 minutes. Okay. Not really a good price action. We do have this SMT for now with NQ, right? And this is also PSP on ES, right? Ideally it should ripple over, but let's see. Should I just go break even because this was the lowest point of the day, but it's just like right here, so yeah. Wait, let me just fast forward a bit. Okay, cool. 2 p.m. starts expanding heavily, which is fine. And now I really want to target this internal. Let's see if we even get 2R though. But I can go break even now, or should I not? I really should not. Yeah. You can take the loss. I'm fine with taking the loss, honestly. But it's 2 p.m. Okay, bro, this is already Monday. I have to close this. Shit. Sorry. Sorry, it's already 7:30. Okay, the new day already started. I already have to close this, man. Close, bro. Okay, so kind of break even. Not really anything happened here. We just kind of consolidated in the higher time frame retracement. Nothing really happened. Although I would have liked very much to reach here. But shit, it is what it is. So accumulation now clearly we see that we have a fair value gap on a daily now, right? On all the time frames. On all the assets. Shit. Right? And we have the biggest fair value gap on YM. To then start going to the upside. I was targeting somewhere around here, right? I will keep that mark, and now we can go to the New York. Oh, okay. We actually did nothing today. If anything, did we tap? We didn't tap anywhere. No taps, nothing. We're just ripping higher. This is not something I would like to see. Having said that, I see that we have this internal gap, and we are currently C2ing it, just for now on NQ though. And the way we went up is also kind of sus to me. So we should, I can see this as let's see this as an expansion, retracement, expansion, manipulation, and then reversal. This looks like a retracement, so it should expand lower only, right? Talking about the phase of price though. So, but here on YM, the same thing looks like a higher time frame retracement. It's just consolidating. Okay, let's see the open now. We do have C2 here. We also have an SMT. No, we don't. But we do have this PSP, 30-minute PSP. And yeah, it just rips. There is really nothing. We are expanding from the hourly fair value gap, sure, but I wanted lower prices to then target higher prices, right? I guess we might not get that anyway. So let's see if we have any sort of key level to then start trade or frame the continuation to the upside. Yeah, we do have C2 for now. Do we have no CS days yet? No SMT as well. Okay, we do have SMT somewhere here, right? So this SMT inside a gap. So SMT fill. Now I ideally need the continuation CSD, and then we are game, I think. Damn. we do get that on NQ, and ES also looks okay for to trade higher. I can really target these highs, which is like previous day's high on NQ. At least it's just very close. I would really like to see YM start ripping, because I don't know if I can really take out anything out of this NQ, because I'll be break even right away. I'm break even before 1 hour. Right, so break even trade, right? Let me go to the upside a little bit. Let's see what is really happening here. We got the C2, and then C3 was supposed to expand, but it just happened on ES though. We still have an open target on ES. So ES looks like it should go higher. If I would have traded ES, let's see. I just wanted to check 3 minute, right? Yeah, 3 minute, entered here, this. Two hour, okay. We do have this CST or OB on YM as well. Do we have any sort of SMT at the lows or anything? Not really. We just swept these highs. Current day's high, I guess. Okay, yeah. Right? No, previous day's high. My bad. Let's see 6 hour as well. See how the daily looks like. Daily definitely looks weird, honestly, because this is what is happening right now, right? Okay, we definitely need some sort of sweep, or this is a consolidation, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, this really looks good now on YM though. If only there would have been any strength switch. Just have this here, but it's like kind of sus. No strength switch, nothing. If anything, we have this SMT with NQ, which still is not good enough for me. It is what it is, man. Got my 2 hour here, right? After break even. CST, and now probably going lower or something like that. What is the time? It's 11:42. Do I really want to trade a PM session? Let's see. 6 a.m. looks Okay, we may get some sort of expansion or something like that. Okay. NQ is going lower. Sorry, YM is going lower, and we are sort of giving this C2 vibes, so that we may get C3 expansion to the downside towards these this fair value gap that was the initial target for today, right? Hourly C2 already gotten. This was already C3 on hourly. Some sort of SMT fill or something like that should be awesome. Would be awesome, yeah. Someone, bro. Someone. Honestly. Okay, we may get this weird PSP. Bro, just sweep something or give me something. What's the time? We are on a 1:30 and 6 p.m. No SMTs at the highs as well. So yeah, weird. And no sweeps or no internal taps, nothing. So can't really trade away from these failure swings, honestly. $2 p.m. It reached the fair value gap, right? No, it didn't. Let me see here. Still didn't reach the fair value gap on any time frames. If anything, we got the C2 from the upside to go lower, right? So yeah, this should happen today, Wednesday. Let's see how the daily is right now. Sorry, today's profile. So daily open, currently doing really nothing. We are an inside candle for now, right? Really weird, not even taken out the previous day's lows anywhere, right? And yeah, NQ being the strongest asset, still an inside candle. So nothing to really, look towards to target. I can't trade inside candles. I don't, sort of, that is my filter. If I'm coming to the charts and the day hasn't been taken any relevant swing point or is an inside candle, I would just let it, do its trick. $2M expanded higher and open low, high, close. 6 a.m. open low inside the fair value gap, gives us this SMT with YM, right? Goes high, but then still cannot, really expand heavily to the upside and started trading lower. Now we do have SMT at the highs as well. Now, seems like NQ is changing the strength for now and becoming weaker momentarily. took out this here, I can see this. Something like this currently happening, but too soon to say. There is no close or anything as such. Yeah, weird close. To wait. Five. Nah, man, too weird. Can't trade all these wiki things. So much wick. Too many wicks for me to even look for trades. Right. And we are still an inside candle. I guess we took out the previous day's low. No, we haven't. Let me mark that out. Here. We have it marked here. No. All these failure swings towards this internal. So internal is the target right now. I can't trade away from that. Give me something to trade lower, or else I'm going. Bro, you have to take me. You just no displacement on 15. 5 minute also no displacement or anything on NQ. YM is just bullshitting around, so can't really do anything about that. 10 AM opens up here, and we have a huge lack of key level to go to the downside. Let's peek 4R. So 4R also consolidating as much as I can say. It's just that I want to be part of the trade where we are going towards this fair value gap. That's it. Which is very clean on ES. We may get this fair value gap here on 30. I don't think, not anymore, I guess. Yeah, not anymore. Very tiny fair value gap that I would not like to even cap it. We do have SMT everywhere on the highs. Let's see, this is 1030, right? Let's see if we get anything sequential here, or like so I feel like YM definitely wants to go to the previous day's high, which is way up here for ES and NQ as well. So that can be the trigger for NQ and ES to go lower, right? So let's see, let YM do its thing, and then probably we can target lower. Okay, we did get this C2 on NQ, right? And we have all these SMT from the upside, obviously. But okay, huge V-shape reversal, right? I can just mag this up, bro, because it's a V-shape reversal. That gives me some sort of a hint that it wants to go lower now. Like now is the time, I guess. We are where 10:30 open. All these failure swings, I definitely think we should go lower, bro. It's just that there is a lack of um, what do you call key levels, so to speak, on higher time frame. That is, giving me sussy vibes. Let's just still take it. Let's see how this goes. I'm taking this CSG because 15 minute gave us C2 and 5 minute gives us this huge V-shaped reversal, right? So that definitely feels like we should go lower. This is 10 a.m. open, right? Yeah. If we sort of reverse the 10 a.m. candle, nothing like it, because we are currently green candle 10 a.m. If we become black or red, nothing like it. We swept the high. Do we have an SMT on that with that high? Equal highs, so not really. Okay, now we are expanding. This is 2 hours, so probably I will go break even at this point. Okay, I'm break even now. Yeah, this is the lowest point of the day, I guess, right? No, this is all these failure swings, right? We are at the lowest point of the day though, so damn. Let's fast forward a little more. I'm break even already. I just want to really, take out some sort of profit. Okay, we took out these. We already tapped inside this fair value gap on ES. We have 11 minutes in this candle, so there is a chance that we get the expansion that we want. No, we don't have 2R yet to even. Okay, we do have 2R now, and we get that expansion as well. I don't really want to come towards these highs as well and reverse this 15 minutes. So trailing the stop loss very heavily, it needs to go lower. That's it. That's all I want. We may get out. Yeah. 1.7R, I guess. Not a bad trade, to be honest. But I really wanted NQ to tap inside this daily fair value gap though. Sucks. And okay, everything reverses. I should have taken 2R probably, because all the other assets already tapped inside that fair value gap. Even the YM, being the strongest asset, expanded huge, made this huge candles to reach the fair value gap. So should have probably took the hint and should have taken my 2R, but it is what it is, man. Take 1.5R. Not that bad trade though. Not a bad trade. We'll go to the next day now. Okay, we started reversing heavily from that fair value gap now. So we do have this C2 on daily with this SMT. Without even looking at other assets, we know all this. We swept this and then got this here. YM again definitely wants to push higher and reach that swing, higher time frame swing. So YM looks definitely very bullish to me. ES being the weakest asset right now, and NQ being the middle asset. Wow. No, sorry. I kind of NQ still the strongest on higher time frame, but in intraday YM is the strongest because it wants to reach this high probably. We are on a Thursday, so I will be cautious because Thursdays are lackluster for me, and I suck on Thursdays. I've pretty much seen that almost every time. So we open up and straight up goes higher. We do have this SMT with ES on all the assets. This SMT, yeah, and this will be my break even obviously. 6 a.m. goes lower, gives us that SMT here with, 2 a.m. goes lower, gives us that SMT with the Asia and expands, and 6 a.m. sort of expanding, but kind of struggling a little. When I go down, I see that huge ass retracement to the downside, but still being respected because it's around daily open on NQ and ES. Having said that, while going to the upside, we leave these good retracements and fair value gaps and all that good shit, and we are currently C2ing that bullish expansion candle here. We are currently getting out of C3 on hourly, right? Too many wickless things are happening right now. I can definitely take this positional entry to go to that point, but let me see if we are okay on all the time frames though. I really don't want to give whatever wins I have away right away. We do have SMT inside this fair value gap as well. Equal lows. Really sussy. Okay, it trips higher. We would have already been break even at this point. All the assets are trading higher, NQ being the strongest asset. I need some sort of retracement now because NQ traded inside a relevant swing point. So has YM. And okay, we do have SMT fill on 5 minute, right here. This is all happening. Okay, new 15 is opening. Wait, bro, just wait. Why? Damn, what happened here? So now NQ giving us the retracement, heavy retracement, while YM is wow, okay. I would have been out here, definitely. Okay, 10 a.m. opens up. Let's see. Good thing that I didn't chase, right? That's why we need rules, obviously. So now I definitely need some sort of, structural strength or something like that, because there is nothing out of this, like after this high on NQ, but on YM we have this high left still to target. But just because it's open, I can't simply target, right? I need that fractal, or those vibes that it wants to go higher, which currently feels like it really wants to go higher on a daily, definitely. But I really don't want myself to be placed really badly. Currently we do have this C2 on 3 minute, but we need okay, 6 a.m. open, makes the new low and then goes higher. 10 a.m. opens up, shallow wick for now. Shallow wick for now. Okay. Wick is getting bigger. So now I don't think this can be an expansion candle to the upside. And now I guess I can even see this as a SMT, because we do have the C2 and C3 is going lower. What continuation do I have to the downside? And where can I even target? Okay, only this is open for now on YM. Everything else is already gone. We have 5 minute fair value cap. Where can I really target, bro? Wow. This is not small wick or shallow retracement. Definitely not that shallow, at least on YM. NQ does not say that it wants to go higher, definitely, but YM, because it has an open draw, probably it's getting stronger and stronger. This does not support an expansion, honestly, but if it really wants to expand it, then it can really just rip. We do have SMT here at these lows, with these inside a fair value gap, right? So I guess this is valid though to go to the upside. I just need a new fractal to go to the... Fuck, it just rips without taking me. Damn. I can't, sort of, I was here, I guess. I can't really, this is a huge ass stop loss for me for just 1 hour, right? If I would have been here, probably I would have taken it, but shit. Okay, let's go to the next day and let's clean everything now. Internal, external to internal, everything happened. So now, and it's Friday, I think. So I definitely want a new, what do you call, phase of price, right? After this, hitting this. And YM being the strongest asset right now, again, we are just fucking around on NQ and ES. We already did this IRL to ERL, but again, we are not really going anywhere now. If we get this sweep on YM, then probably we can trade NQ or ES to the downside, because this is just, we went nowhere this week on NQ. Even on ES, we went nowhere. YM expanded on a Thursday because there was an open draw, obviously. It was a very clean IRL to ERL on YM, but now we don't have anything apart from this high. So if we sweep this and make an SMT, something like this, then I have something to work with to take NQ lower and clean these failure swings. Not today, obviously, but like probably by next week, right? Let's see the daily profile. We are open high on YM, and same goes for NQ as well. Open high, and currently 6 a.m. expanding. What news did we had? 8:30 news sort of expanded. Yeah, I guess, yes. So news expanded lower on all the assets. Just a minute. Yeah. We might have this 30-minute to work with. Okay, 8:30 didn't do really anything on NQ. This happened after, YM expanded to the downside. Okay, weird. Can I target all these today itself? I guess, I don't think so. I can definitely target this or this on NQ, which are like way down here on YM. So currently we do have 15-minute C2 structure with C3 going lower on NQ, but I can't entry obviously here. I don't have any entry point at here, so I can't really enter. Now, do we have any SMT at the highs? Not yet. Not yet. equal highs. Still no SMTs. And we are also an inside candle on a daily time frame, right? We are inside this. Okay, this is the first CSD that I can see. To go lower, I guess. Yeah. 5 minutes CSD. If only we had this SMT here instead of equal highs, I would have taken that. We are on 9:15 now. Okay, 10 a.m. opens up. Okay, we do have SMT now. Let me show it to you. This with this. Bro never understands to wait, right? Just rips. Can I just enter here, bro, for my 2 hour, please? I may have to wait for 4 more minutes, I guess. Yeah, 5 minute kinda sus. 15, 5 minute more. Cool. Okay, so 15 is not giving me the good vibes for now. Let's see, 30. Okay. Let's read a little more. Because we didn't expand away after, putting this SMT, it just retraced a bit. Doesn't give me good look. And I think it's not gonna hold because the way we opened up and just, fucking around a bit. Now this feels like a protected low for me. Yeah, still going nowhere. 10:30 opens up. Let's see. Definitely nothing to play here. We do have C2 90 minute, but I don't think we should expand higher. Or should we? I don't know, man. We have these equal lows now on NQ and no SMT. So I don't know, man. And the price action obviously is kind of sucks. We are still inside an inside candle, yesterday's candle. We haven't taken out any high in any form or structure. Just consolidating. Yes, trading higher. Yes, looks good. Okay, we tap inside that SMT now. It gave the C2 to me. I feel like I'm just, sort of yeah, man. I feel like I'm just forcing a trade at this point now to go to the downside. You do have SMT at this highs and it expands. Okay, expands heavily. Still an inside candle on a higher time frame. SMT inside this C2, C3, 15. Okay, we have this SMT fill here on 15, which looks good to then target lower, right? These probably, and definitely these closest proximity, like it should just, oh my god bro, this is just I can't believe this, bro. Never waits, just expands. Shit. Should have been out if I would have traded this, right? This. Now we have this CST or SMT fill. How does this look like? We have sequential PSP. And we do have SMT here as well on YM. I think we should go lower, definitely, because this is open, high, and then low here, somewhere around here, right? So definitely should go lower in my opinion. It's just that other assets are not supporting it. Look at this. What is NQ even doing? It's still inside its own current days range. I mean, shit, dude. Let's see if we get out anything, any clean move anymore. We might get some sort of CST if it waits. We have this, but all these does look like, okay, should I wait 3 minutes or will it just rip? I'll wait 3 minutes. Yeah, I get 15-minute order block, so I can just trade now, right? Positional entry, something like that. Give me a moment. I will take the position entry like this to trade 2R. I don't get 2R there. I do get 2R here. Right. Okay, let's place. Let's see if we get entry even. We don't, and we reach there anyway. I'm irritated now, bro. Am I not trading it well, or what the fuck is happening? Earlier there was a problem that I am not getting good trades, or I'm not, you know, trading according to the higher time frame. Now I don't get clean entries. Like everything is being just rushed with YM at least, and NQ is going nowhere. Guys, bro, I might have to end this here, bro. I just did like what, 7 days or something? Not 7 days, more than that, I guess. Probably 10 days. But bro, this not getting into trades, good trades, even after being the right, like being on the on side most of the time with the bias, is not a good feeling, really, honestly. No losses this session, but honestly, I don't feel good about this session. Damn, bro, like it was just running. Everything was running. Why am I missing on these many trades? I don't get that. Just one clean trade, and that too I came out for 1.75 hour or 1.5 hour probably. Yeah, 1.5 hour. And this was almost break even. I'm just glad it's not red. Break even 1.5 hours, so not really a productive session. I just don't know where I'm going wrong, bro. Like, reading price and all that is good, okay, but I'm not really able to take right trades or something like that. Probably, I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see in the next session. Thank you. Peace.